In other news, Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched a government-funded health insurance scheme, the Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, on Sunday. The inauguration of the country's largest health insurance scheme comes a month after a pilot program was announced by the Prime Minister during his Independence Day address. Our correspondent Shahin Sheikh gives you a lowdown on what exactly the scheme is.
Prime Minister Modi unveiled the Ayushman Bharat Yojana, which is being pegged as the world's biggest government-funded healthcare scheme. It is a scheme to target poor, deprived rural families, and it will cover around 50 crore people by providing them a cashless health cover of up to Rs 5 lakh per family. Let's try and find out who can benefit from this scheme by splitting this up to urban and rural areas. So in urban areas, this will benefit rag pickers, beggars, domestic workers, street workers, cobblers, hawkers, other service providers working on streets, construction workers, plumbers, masons, laborers, painters, welders, security guards, sweepers, sanitation workers, home-based workers, artisans, handicrafts worker, tailors, transport workers, drivers, conductors, helpers to drivers and conductors, cart pullers, rickshaw pullers, shop workers, assistants, peons working in small establishments, helpers, delivery assistants, attendants, waiters, electricians, mechanics, repair workers, washermen and chowkidars. In rural areas, this scheme will benefit households living in only one room with kacha walls and kacha roof. Households with no adult member between the age of 16 to 59. Female-headed households with no adult male member between the age of 16 to 59. Households having at least one disabled member and no able-bodied adult member. Scheduled tribe, scheduled caste households. Landless households deriving major part of their income from manual casual labor. Households without shelter. Destitute and those living on alms. Manual scavenger families, primitive tribal groups, and legally released bonded labor. In rural areas, this is whom this scheme will benefit. Now, how do you enroll for this scheme? You do so by logging on to the website mera.pmj.gov.in or by giving a call to 14555. By visiting this website, you are asked to input either your mobile number or your ration card number to check your eligibility. Now, this ambitious scheme will be operational from the 25th of September, and it's the biggest pro-poor scheme by the Modi government so far. So that's a lowdown of the Ayushman Bharat Yojana.